Hello everyone, back for an update on my wrist surgery. I was supposed to have done a couple of updates so far, but I've just been busy. It's been almost 2 weeks. Day after tomorrow will be 2 weeks since I had my surgery. Yesterday I went and had the stitches out, got this removable brace put on. The cut is actually, instead of being up and down the thumb where I'd seen most of the cuts on YouTube videos, was actually kind of a smiley face around the crease of my thumb here, and one up here where she went and cut the ligament to put into the cavity where the bone was removed. The pain has not been that bad. I really haven't taken much pain medication at all, certainly no narcotics since about the second or third day. Taking a couple of ibuprofen from time to time, but yeah, it's the surgery was pretty good. The doctor, she was very informative up to begin, leading up to the surgery, letting me know what was going to happen, answering any questions I had, and checking with me after the surgery. One thing I can honestly say, even though it's only been 2 weeks, I've not woke up at night a lot with the pain that I used to wake up with in the joint of my thumb. Used to wake me up at night. I'd have to move and lay different and move my hand around. So it's already, I've noticed a significant difference. There is a little bit of soreness in here if I just put a little pressure, which I tend not to do. Yeah, it hurts when I do this. Well, don't do that. Okay, don't put pressure on it. But yeah, it's is it worth doing? I think so. I really think so. It looks really good. The shape of the hand. I've seen some videos on YouTube where people have said that their hands look like an alien afterwards. Mine did not. It looks pretty much like the other hand. Naturally, so far I cannot extend my thumb out as far as I can on my right hand, even without the brace, but there's a little stiffness in there, and I will start some physical therapy. It's really not a bad surgery to have, considering I've had several surgeries in the past, and including a reconstruction on my ankle, which was by far the worst surgery I've ever had. I've had both rotator cuffs done, 7 cuts on this side, 8 on this side, and nothing hurt worse than my ankle reconstruction. That was the worst. This is definitely one of the least painful procedures that I've had, even though they actually removed a bone and cut a ligament out and replaced the cavity with the rolled up ligament in my hand. So if you're considering getting this done, or if you're having a lot of pain in your hand, especially your thumb joint, where it meets the wrist here at the basal joint, that trapezium there can be arthritic. So definitely consider, the surgery if you're able to. Don't let fear cause you not to, because it's really nothing more than just a hindrance for, I don't know, a couple of weeks. I can't lift anything heavy just to avoid tearing anything on the inside, for the next 4 weeks. But anything over 3 pounds, she said not to lift, so I will make sure that I live up to my end of the deal and try not to tear anything else loose. So if you have any questions, post them below in the comments, and thank you. And if you would, just click like on this video if it's helped you any at all, and consider subscribing. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.